Hello, folks. I'm Dr. Terry Aaron. I'm here today to show you a DIY thing. Um, you can actually take your tablet or your phone and increase its memory size by 100% by just using a flash drive, thumb drive, whatever you call it today. This is just a small one with probably 8 gigabytes, but this one I've used recently, and I want to show you how it works. All right, so I'm using my Tab 8 tablet, and I'm going to show you how this works. Now, first of all, I want to tell you what you need. I know you have a phone, a device. Maybe you have a tablet, but it's going to be just a little bit different due to whatever you have. Now, like I said, we're going to use this thumb drive. And what you also need is it doesn't have to be a small cable. I happen to have this small cable here. This is a mini USB right here. Can you see that? Mini USB over here in front of the light. Maybe you can see it better. It's a mini USB. And on the other end, it is a female regular USB. And so if you happen to have a longer one, it doesn't matter. A long one, a short one, it just doesn't matter. So today I'm going to show you how to make your tablet or your device, your phone, to make it bigger again with the storage. More storage, okay? So the first thing you want to do is, with whatever cable you have, is you want to insert the USB flash drive in there just like that. Okay, so now we have an extra memory device for your phone or for your tablet. And so the thing about it is that if you have, there's two ways you can use this. If you have a need to get something from your PC to your tablet or cell phone, this is the way you can do it. Now, I know you can also, if you have enough memory in your phone, you can also just attach your power cord, and you can just go ahead and plug in your long power cord and plug that USB, the male USB end, to the computer, and you can share your files with your computer. All right, so, but this is, we're talking about today, we're talking about adding memory. So if this was free of any files, this is an 8 gigabyte, but you could just as well use a 64 gigabyte and add, if you have a 64 gigabyte phone and another 64 gigabytes with one of these, then you double the size, right? Absolutely. 128 gigabytes of storage space. So connector is right up here on top. See it? All right, so I'm just going to take this now, the male mini USB, and make sure I have it turned the right way, and I'm going to plug it right into here. See, I'm going to plug this right into the top. That's where mine is, right here. All right. Now, listen and watch. You're going to see. All right. We'll take care. You want to go to your Samsung. This is a Samsung, whatever device you have. You want to go to their apps. Okay. We're looking for files, and here we have the icon that says My Files right here. We're going to push that. My Files. And now here we have it. Okay, so you go to My Files, and you will see right here USB storage. You see that right there? Okay, we're going to press that, and then we're going to see on the other side everything that's on the flash drive. All right. You can see that. All right. And so now we can deal with the device, and we can just leave it like this if you want. If you don't need to copy it over to your device because of whatever reason. But in my case, I copied it over to let me find that. USB storage, and then internal storage. And this is where I put these files over on internal storage because I wanted to do a presentation at a church or any other place to show people how they can share files with their device. Now, in this case, let me get to that again, and that means I need to go back this way. And so we have documents, and down here we have again the USB storage. And so what's on here but then you also have right above it, you can see if you have an SD card right here, you can see that you can look at your SD card and see what's on there. There's no SD card, it says, so can't use that. But anyway, the idea is to get your USB storage that's highlighted right there. And so to get your USB storage from your flash drive to your device. Now, you copy those wherever you want them in a directory that you want them, and that's where they'll be. And so they'll be available to you in your device itself. And so I've already transferred what's on here to my smartphone. And so what I was planning to do, and this is another idea, is that when you put the files on your device, in my case, I was going to do a presentation, but it was canceled. I was going to do a presentation about a specific subject, and I was going to use my NFC and the Samsung TV and project it to the TV and show them what this was all about. And so it's that easy. And then when you're done, you simply disconnect your cord and your tablet's back to its own memory, and you're all done. You take this, remove it. So you now have the two devices. I just happen to have this short cord, and I have another one that isn't a 90-degree angle like that, but this works just fine. It just kind of dangles off my device, but it's okay because it's flexible. So if you carry your files with you, you want to put them on your phone or you want to share them with somebody, you're able to do that with your flash drive. Thank you all for tuning in today. I see you. Thank you very much. God bless you all.